Bienvenidos nuevamente a Cooking with Hilda. Today we are going to talk about another traditional Guatemalan dish. This one is called Pepian. Back in 2007, Pepian was declared by the Guatemalan government as a traditional Guatemalan heritage because of so much history is involved in the process of making this dish. But it's not just history, it's also love. And today in this video, I want to share with you this love so you can make Pepian in your home. Now, let's talk about the ingredients. First, cook the chicken with water and some salt or chicken bouillon. But be sure to save the chicken broth at the end because we're gonna use this broth to make the recado. We are gonna talk about the process of making this recado in this video that is made with sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, tomatoes, tomatillos, garlic, and some dried chiles. Also, cilantro, pimienta or pepper, and cloves. Salt, of course, or use chicken bouillon and instant corn flour. You will also need carrots, potatoes, huisquil or chayote as it is known in other countries, green beans, and rice. Take the chile pasa and guajillos and de-seed them and reserve them. Next, take the tomatoes, onion, garlic, and tomatillos and broil them. After this, you brown the pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds too. After you brown the sesame seeds and pumpkin seeds, you also can brown the chile pasa and chile guaje in this same pan so they can be browned. And after you browned it, everything, you blend it to make this delicious sauce that is called Recado de Pepian. It's delicious and you can pour it over your favorite meat, beef, pork, chicken, and of course, traditionally it's served on chicken. After this, I put this paste into an empty pot over low heat. And I cook it there with the vegetables and chicken, so all that flavor can be transferred directly into these vegetables and this chicken. And cook them until the potatoes and carrots are soft. And it's time to enjoy the delicious Pepian. Here you can see the vegetables, this sauce that is delicious, and I serve it with rice. But you can just eat it with some tamalitos or even tortillas, just like that. And I know you will enjoy it. Delicious. So thank you guys for being here one more time in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.